G'day, Adam here from Fishy Business TV show. I'm on my 1850 Stabicraft Supercab, and what I wanted to talk to you today about was Zipwakes. Now, I first used Zipwakes in 2019 when I went out on the original Stabicraft 2250 walkaround, and I'd never used them before, so it was really interesting. And we went out on the Waitemata Harbour on a particularly choppy day, and I put the Zipwakes in auto. And I tell you what, they just reacted so well. There was no riding the controls like you would with manual trim tabs. So it was handling it really well. It handles the pitch and the yaw, so it's keeping the boat nice and level and planing beautifully. And that's what I found out with Zipwakes since I put them on the 1850. They keep your boat running really, really well. If people move around the boat or you get windage, it keeps the boat level. And what that does in true terms is it actually improves the performance of your boat. And Stabies are renowned for being nice and stable anyway, so it's improving that. It also improves your fuel efficiency because the boat is running at the optimum angle at all times. So Zipwakes for me, they're automatic. It's something you set and forget, and it makes your boating so easy and it makes your boat perform so well.
Zipwake is a dynamic trim control system. So rather than utilising traditional trim tabs, we're using interceptors which are intercepting the column of the water on the transom of the boat. The advantage of Zipwake is that largely it's fully automatic. It's a set and forget system. Through that you're going to get higher performance, more comfort on the boat, better fuel consumption, and it's going to make a good boat better. Zipwake can also be operated in manual mode, so not requiring a GPS fix, we can control the trim and the roll of the boat. So Zipwake is suitable for any planing boat up to 30 metres. And Zipwake comes in varying sizes from 300mm, 450, all the way up to 1 metre. Zipwake's about making boating enjoyable, whether you're out fishing or with your family, and with the auto functions, it just takes all the hassle out of trim and control. The Zipwake system really is a set and forget system.